Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper boat. We need a scissors and a paper only to make a paper boat. See how to make a paper boat. First take a paper and make it into square shape like this. Fold the paper like this and cut the extra paper. Okay, now it is in square shape. Now fold the paper in rectangle shape. Half. Fold into half. Now it is rectangle and fold this again into square shape like this. Okay, it is in square shape now. Fold a layer into triangle shape like this. Take only one layer and fold it as triangle shape and turn it, and all the layers, remaining 3 layers, fold like this. It's also in triangle shape. Now fold that shape into diamond shape like this. Now open the layers from the top. See, it is the paper boat. It's very easy to make a paper boat with paper. You can learn your children or your students very easily. Thank you for watching.